Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A60 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine, you search your game but you can download it, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on Info on the right corner. In it you must choose Settings option, Family and their parental controls. As you can see, now we have PG3. To visible all game, we need to change it from PG3 to maybe allow all included underrated. To do that, click on it, enter our connect pin to parental control, and we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow all included underrated. Confirm by save, and we have it. We can also turn off your parental control by switch on. Now we can search our Mobile Legends game, which is visible right now, and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, bye!